Gusto mo bang kulayan ang iyong sariling buhok? O gusto mong maging hair expert na walang binabayaran like seminars? So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Hi guys, Jamaica's here and welcome to my new YouTube channel. For today's video ay pag-uusapan natin kung ano ang hair color theory. Ang hair color theory ay isa sa mga pinaka-importante na dapat mong malaman if magkukulay ka ng buhok. Ang hair color theory ay may tatlong kategory. Una is primary color, pangalawa, secondary color, and pangatlo is tertiary color. Sa primary color, nandito ang red, yellow, and blue. These colors cannot be creative or hindi ito nagagawa. Sa secondary color naman, nandito ang orange, green, and purple. Para ma-achieve natin ang secondary colors, kailangan nating i-mix ang primary colors. For example, I have here a drawing. If red and yellow mix together, the result is orange. And if we mix the yellow and blue, the result is green. And if we mix the red and blue, the result is purple. Sa tertiary colors naman is mixing method rin, same as diniscuss ko kanina sa primary and secondary colors. Example, kapag pupunta ka sa tindahan tapos wala ka talagang nakitang pangkulay na green tapos gusto mo talagang ma-achieve yung green na color, all you need to do is mix the yellow and blue to achieve green. Remember guys, that measurement is very important. Dapat balance lang talaga siya. Kung gaano kadami yung nilagay na yellow, dapat ganun din kadami ang yung nilagay na blue para makuha niya talaga yung green na kulay. Meron din tayong tinatawag na color wheel. Nandito ang red, purple, blue, green, yellow, and orange. Ang color wheel ay nagbibigay information sa atin in terms in neutralizing and tuning sa pagkukulay ng buhok. Mamaya, i-discuss ko yan, but we need to know first the warm colors, also known as undertone, and the cool colors, also known as corrective tone. As you can see, we have natural levels, descriptive, distributing pigments, and corrective base. Yang apat na yan ay may kanya-kanyang impormasyon. Si natural levels, it is a numerical. Like that. Level 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alignment yan guys. Dito. Yan. Hanggang sa ibaba. Now, sa descriptive. Sa descriptive, ito ang kailangan nating i-achieve na hair. At ito sa distributing pigments, ito ang magiging result natin sa mga bleaching. At ito si corrective base, from the word itself, corrective base, para ma-achieve natin si descriptive, kailangan natin i-correct. Kasi ito ang magiging result natin if bleach natin. Now remember guys that hindi natin ma-achieve ang very light blend or light blend without using the bleach. So, kailangan talaga natin mag-use ng bleach. Except na lang kung if your hair mo is sobrang dry na talaga, tapos may color na, yun, ma-achieve mo to si light blend or very light blend without bleach na yun. Pero, kung ang buhok mo ay dark brown, kailangan talaga siya bleach, guys, para ma-achieve mo to si very light blend. Kapag sinabi natin neutralizing or tuning, ito ay mabisang paraan upang makuha natin ang pagpantay ng kulay ng ating buhok. That's all for today guys. Hoping you understand my discussion. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong video ko for tutorials for hair color and hair rebonding. Bye!